What's up, America? You know what time it is. It's a little after 12 o'clock Monday. It's time to get that Homegating series kicked off. Brought to you by Recteq and powered by Kingsford. Today, it's all about MMA and boxing. I got my main man in the octagon. I know him. You love him. Let's swing it on over to your barbecue dad, Jody Flanagan.
Hey, what's up, America? It's time to get in the octagon right now. We're celebrating boxing and MMA, the squared circle, right? Isn't that what it's called sometimes?
Yeah.
Squared circle?
Yeah.
Ground game, octagon, all these buzzwords I'm going to say throughout this whole thing. We're going to kick it into high gear right now, like I'm kicking somebody in the face. That's right. But I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, your Recteq expert, and we are continuing with our 9-week Homegating series. Guys, these are recipes that you can absolutely TKO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. KO.
You can KO all of these recipes out of the squared circle, the octagon, the ring. It's a unanimous decision on all of these recipes. God bless you, Sherpa. But we're celebrating hands-on. Physicality.
That's right.
Punching and kicking and biting.
Biting?
No biting. No biting. Okay, MMA, not allowed to bite.
Or fish hook. No fish hooking.
No dirty fish hooks?
No dirty fish hooking.
Oh, stop it. I'm over this already.
You can't do that.
But we are celebrating. We had a great fight over the weekend. Lopez Jr.
Yeah.
And Lomachenko.
Yes.
Absolutely. A bunch of smack talking between these two gentlemen.
They do not like each other
now,
very
collectively, both of them weigh a stout 270 pounds together.
That's light,
That's
Jody.
right. That's right. We could fit both of them in an RT 2500 from Recteq, ladies and gentlemen. 135-pound men fighting each other is just captivating.
Yeah. It could
he probably landed 170 punches.
Yeah.
Like Lomachenko received 170 punches. And it was Lopez Jr. victorious under a unanimous decision. So shout out to him. Little fun fact, Lomachenko's dad actually had him signed up for ballet so he could work on his foot moves.
Okay.
Huh?
Hey, Jody, how many punches do you think you've taken to the head?
Oh, collectively?
Yeah, collectively.
Well, man, countless, John. Countless.
At least 170?
At least 170 for sure. Most of them in the old gut.
In the old gut?
Yep.
Okay.
But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Smash that share button. Subscribe to both Kingsford and Recteq on YouTube for more amazing content just like this. We've got Thanks Grilling coming up, so you don't want to miss out on that. So the premise of this show, we show you 2 homegating recipes. Now, homegating, if you didn't know, is where you actually tailgate at home and watch a sporting event. Because of the times, homegating has become a thing, so we wanted to make 18 recipes for you guys to absolutely knock out of the park. That's a sports reference. But today we're doing, gosh, Jordan, what are these? What are they called? I got 5 onion knockout dip, which is absolutely amazing. We do this one all the time. And then we have Roundhouse bacon wrap club crackers. Now, I know a lot of you were like, what?
Ooh. Yeah.
Bacon wrap club crackers, that's all he's doing? Yeah, that is all I'm doing because they're absolutely delicious, okay? But both of these dishes are going to knock you out. Knock your socks off?
Yeah.
All right. What? Put you down for the count, as Sherpa says. But they like for me to keep this under a certain amount of time, so we got to have a time limit here. The clock, is all-knowing.
That's right.
The clock is what dictates this whole show. 1 round, 10 minutes. Can I get both of these dishes done in time? The answer is, the way I've planned it, yes. But this dip will take about an hour to fully make, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I've done it beforehand, but I did want to show you guys that. But this will take about an hour just to finally cook down and render down and get all ooey gooey. And then you want to put it in the refrigerator and let it get cold, and then you want to enjoy it. But we're not gonna show you those steps. But John, any good questions or anything from the folks out there?
They're all just starting to tune in right now. They said that you're killing it so far, Jody. They're
Smash that share button.
Excited.
Smash that share button, guys. We are the champion. That's why we got the championship belt. That's why we're celebrating boxing and MMA. Kingsford, you're now the champion again. I'm going to put my gloves on, so I'm going to cook this whole entire meal with these gloves.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you're going to do?
No, I'm not. That would be crazy. You guys would freak out.
You're going rogue.
The crew was going nuts. They were like, what are you doing? No, you can't do that. You can't do that. No. Oh, man, that's the show. That's the show. That's the next one. After this, let's film me trying to wrap crackers and bacon with those gloves on.
I like that.
All right, guys. We need to get the show going. Thank you
right.
guys so much for watching our Homegating series. This whole time it's going to be 18 awesome recipes for you to knock your Homegating tailgate out of the park.
That's right.
TKO. Jordan. Yo. Your only job on the show is to count me down.
That's right.
You better do it nice.
That's right. Let's do a little ground and pound,
oh, yes.
Jody.
Jordan loves to ground and pound in the morning.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so I've got the RT700. It's set at 400 degrees. I've got a cast enamel Dutch oven on the inside. What we're going to do is we're going to start, oh gosh, not with that lid on there. Not with that lid on there. Get on here, Sherp. We got 2 ounces extra virgin olive oil. That's the only olive oil that I ground and pound. Then we're going to add our garlic. Then we're going to add our 5 onions. We've got some leeks. I've got shallots. I've got Vidalia. I've got yellow, and I've got white onions all combined in here. What we're going to do is we're just going to let those bad boys cook down. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't overthink it. Sherp, get on in there. Show them that we actually have 5 different styles of onions in there. Folks aren't going to believe me if they don't see it. All right, so we're going to put those in there. We're going to let that cook down. Oh, Lord. We're going to let that cook down for about 35 to 40 minutes. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This needs to cook down for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once it cooks down, we're going to add some delicious balsamic as well as some awesome sour cream. But check it out, those delicious leeks. Those delicious. What are the other ones in there, Sherp? Shallots as well. But everything smells absolutely amazing. The last thing we're going to add is going to be our balsamic vinegar and our sour cream. It couldn't be easier. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And again, we're going to let that cook down for about 35, 40 minutes. Okay, guys? The next step, and again, leeks, shallots, Vidalia, white and yellow onions. That's all you need for this 5 onion knockout.
That's
dip.
what I'm talking
That's
about.
it. That's all you need. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
That's
okay?
awesome.
Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be doing our roundhouse bacon wrapped club crackers. That's
Now,
right.
this was a new one for me. I
This
didn't know
was
about
new
this.
for you?
Yeah, it
For
was
real?
new-
You ain't
yeah.
never seen me do this before?
Mm-mm.
Oh, guys, if you have ever seen us do a show about tailgating or home gating, you know, this is one of my go-to recipes for sure. Now, it all starts with the best cracker. You got to get club crackers. Shout out. Shout out. The specific club butter crackers. That's where it all starts, okay, ladies and gentlemen? Then we're going to take ourselves, man, look at this beautiful bacon we got here. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to cut it to where it has 2 points, okay? Then we're going to take our club cracker, and we're going to wrap it. Oh, yeah. Just like that, okay? And then we're going to take it, and we're going to put it on our stick-resistant cooking mat from Recteq, available at recteq.com. Check that out, guys. It's Fluon coated cooking mesh mat. The smoke can penetrate everything on the inside all the way around. You'll also, it allows for that grease to drip down as well. So those are super cool. Check those out at recteq.com. But again, we're cooking on the RT700 today. 700 square inches of cooking surface. 40-pound hopper, PID controller. Stainless steel inside and out. You can't go wrong with this pellet grill. I mean, essentially, it's like cheating, John.
Yeah.
I mean, the grill does everything for you. It lights itself.
That's right.
It maintains the temperature. We're using the delicious, shout out Ed, delicious Kingsford pellet, Ed. The signature pellet from Kingsford today. That's what's going to give us that amazing smoke flavor and sweetness that we want. But shout out to everybody watching. Again, these are bacon-wrapped club crackers. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You can't go wrong. Just do a lot of these. Don't do 12. Don't do 24. I mean, you got to get in the 48s and 64 range because you're going to have people that are going to want to eat this absolutely all day. They're not very nutritious, but they are what, John?
Delicious.
That's right. And we're
Jody,
just
could you sub the cracker for an Oreo cookie?
Yeah, you could if you wanted to make a bacon-wrapped Oreo cookie for sure. Those are a little trend right now, so shout out. Bacon-wrapped Oreos everywhere. There's the new trend on social media. Now, I like club crackers. For this, it's going to be savory. It's going to be buttery. It's going to be just delicious. So, take our cooking mat. Again, it's It's super, super easy to move our item with our cooking mat. We can
love
pick it
that.
up. Again, you don't have to put these things on and off individually on the grill. You can just pick them all up. So we're going to take a little bit of brown sugar here. We'll sprinkle it on top. You could substitute Ray's warm apple pie rub if you would like to as well. But I want to make them super sweet and savory. So what I do is a combination of the brown sugar and Rasa Ruski's honey rib rub. That's
5 minutes.
Oh,
5
yeah.
minutes.
Shout out everybody. Smash that share button. Give us a like. Give us a love. We're having a great time here. Homegating. This is our Homegating series. 9 weeks of amazing recipes that you guys can absolutely knock out of the park at your house with your friends, relatives, and neighbors at your Homegating parties. Now, we're going to cook these. I like to do these at about 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything is GBD. Golden, brown, and delicious.
That's right.
Okay? Really and truly, you can eat the club cracker by itself. We're just cooking the bacon. That's it. So about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. If you want to stretch it out, you can go down to 300, 250 degrees and kind of smoke the bacon. Me, I want to get it done because I want these in my belly. Again, we're using that Kingsford signature pellet. It's a mixture of cherry, hickory, and maple. So you're getting the smoke and heat from that hickory, and then you're getting some sweetness from that cherry and maple. Those things are super readily available. Shout out to Kingsford. Check out Kingsford.com for more information on all of their delicious pellet flavors. But again, locally here, we can find them at Lowe's.
That's
We can find them at Publix. We can find them at Walmart. You can go to Walmart.com right now and pick up these delicious Kingsford pellets. They're readily available everywhere. And check them out, guys. Make sure you follow Kingsford and Recteq on YouTube for more amazing content like this. So, again, I've got this. Come on, get on here, Sherp. So just imagine, ladies and gentlemen, just imagine that this had been cooking down for about 30 to 45 minutes. Everything would be really translucent. There would be a little bit more water or liquid down in there. But we're gonna press this on along, okay? The next thing we're gonna do is, after about 30 to 45 minutes, we're gonna add our balsamic vinegar. And then we're gonna add some delicious sour cream, okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I'll also like to add some of that Colden's Freaking Greek, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons.
Jody, I have a question from Glenn Scarsberry.
What's
he
up,
wants
Glenn?
to know about those Kingsford pellets. Are those 20-pound bags?
Those are 17-pound bags, so you're able to put the whole bag in every hopper except for that RT B380. You're able to fill up that whole entire hopper of the RT B380 and have a little bit left over, but those are 17-pound bags. Yes, sir. So you can see how everything's... Now we're just going to let it get all happy and break down just a little bit more, boil out just a little bit more. And again, 350 degrees for these delicious bacon-wrapped club crackers, and then 400 degrees for that 5-onion dip. I'm going to get back in here in this RT700. We'll place that back in there. Easy peasy lemon squeezing. We'll let it get all happy and merry.
That's what I'm
and,
talking about.
Again, the crackers take about 15 to 20 minutes. The dip, it's going to take about 30 to 40 minutes for all of those onions to start breaking down and get translucent and get all yummy and bubbly. After about 45 minutes, you're going to add that sour cream. You're going to add the balsamic vinegar. You're going to let it cook down for about
2-minute warning.
Another 10 minutes. And then, guys, you're going to put it in the refrigerator and you're going to let it cool. And that's where the magic happens. That's where you're going to get the enhancement of that delicious smoke flavor. Once it gets cool, you're going to taste that smoke a lot more than if that dip were hot. Now, you can serve this dip hot. Yes, you can. There's a lot of folks out there that like to serve their onion dips hot. But this one is meant to be served cold, so you want to put it in your refrigerator for at least 12 to 24 hours, and it's going to taste absolutely amazing. But I'm way ahead of the clock today, boys.
You're killing it.
I'm way ahead of the clock today,
killing it.
boys. So we're going to bust out our bacon-wrapped club crackers.
Oh, yeah.
And then I made this onion dip yesterday so it can chill the full 24 hours, but here we are, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Again, this Homegating series, we've got 18 awesome recipes, 9 episodes. Make sure you stay tuned, guys. Make sure you follow Kingsford and Recteq on YouTube. We got a lot of amazing content coming out in 2021 because content is king. But look, you
1
guys can
minute.
see that the bacon kind of shriveled up the cracker a little bit there. I really like that aspect of it. I know that that bacon is definitely cooked down, but the extra Rosarooskies, that extra brown sugar added to it is just going to elevate the flavor of these bad boys, and they're absolutely delicious. John, get on here while this clock runs down.
Okay.
Taste one of these delicious,
Let's do it.
nutritious, often imitated with
Never-
Oreos, never duplicated club
That's what I'm
crackers.
talking about.
I got 30 seconds left, and I've already cooked everything.
You're the man. You're killing
Myth,
it.
legend.
Yeah.
Bacon wrap club crackers, ladies and gentlemen. Don't sleep on them.
Cheers to you guys. Wow. That is like buttery and salty and a little bit of sweetness.
It's all of that goodness. Have yourself another one.
That's awesome.
But it's all of that goodness
Who
that you
knew?
want in your belly, in your mouth, going down the back of your esophagus.
This is delicious. My man.
But I'm telling you, now, John's not going to taste this onion dip because he knows it's so good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Shout out Jordan Johnson, our clock maintenance worker. Now, this onion dip, again, I let it cool 12 to 24 hours, and it's all set up, baby. It's all delicious. You can see the onions in there, translucent and lovely. But let's taste some of these. I use tortilla chips here. Shout out to our friends at Mission Tortilla. They hooked it up. Oh, wow. Again, you can taste that sweet smokiness that the Kingsford signature pellet just slammed that flavor on there, John.
It is so good, Jody. You
With that
killed
cold and freaking Greek rub, with all of those onions, with the balsamic vinegar, cheese and crackers. Cheese and crackers.
it. Another
You
success.
guys can do this too. All you got to do is get you a RT 700 or any Recteq grill. Pick yourself up a amazing, delicious, nutritious 17-pound bag of Kingsford pellets, and you can't go wrong either. We're at 15 minutes. I got to get the heck out of here, John. Any
Yeah.
good questions before we get out of here? Smash that share button, guys. Hit that red rectangle. Subscribe to Kingsford and Recteq's YouTube channel. Please make sure you do that. We've got more amazing content for you. Shout out to the Braves who just lost to the Dodgers. I love you guys. Oh, man, just try harder next year. Just try harder, Braves. We love you. Tomahawk chop
Braves.
to let y'all go.
That's right.
This was a boxing episode. But shout out to Mr. Lopez Jr.
That's right.
Filawento. What was his first name, Sherpa? Vasily Lomachenko. Yes, that's right. And then we got a fight coming up soon. Yep,
Khabib.
we got another good fight coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. Make sure you follow Kingsford and Recteq, both on YouTube as well as social media. And then I am Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, your Recteq expert. We will see you at the Recteq.
Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Recteq lifestyle. Set it and come get it. When the sun starts going down, live your life the way you like. It's the Recteq lifestyle. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do.